Hello friends, welcome to TurboSite channel. In this video, we will introduce how to use TBS6324 Quad 3 GSDIP CIE encoder with software DVBlast. There are totally two steps. Step 1. Use TBS SDI tool to set up desired encoding parameters. We've made a separate video that specifically explains how to set the encoding parameters using the TBS SDI tool. You can find the video link in the description below. Now, let's get into the step 2. Use DVBlast to lock the signal and start streaming. DVBlast will cognize the TBS6324 as a DVB-S/S2 compatible device, allowing to configure frequencies, polarizations, and symbol rates just like a tuner card. We can use any values you like as long as they follow the DVB-S/S2 standard. To set out the stream, we need to create a .conf configuration file. In this file, we can define which program to stream and also set the output address and port number. Then we run the DVBlast lock command together with the config file to start streaming. Finally, use VLC to test the UDP stream. Now we set another RTP stream. DVBlast supports to output the stream via RTP or UDP only. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and product updates from TBS.